Hello all, this is Vignesh here welcoming you all to my channel Educators Inc. In the last video we had studied about certain types of vectors. In this video also we shall continue with the rest of the types. Now the next type is, that is the sixth one, is like and unlike vectors. Now what are like and unlike vectors? Like vectors are nothing but the vectors who have same direction is known as like vectors. Vectors, suppose we have two vectors, that is this one and this one. So these two vectors are in same direction, so they are like vectors. Suppose they are in opposite direction, so they are known as unlike vectors. Now the next one, coplanar vectors. Now coplanar vector, suppose I have this plane here, so if I have two vectors like this, these are known as coplanar vectors since they lie in the same plane. Now suppose I have like this vector, so these two vectors or these two vector is known as non-coplanar since they do not lie in the same plane. Orthogonal vector, the vector, two vectors are the vector in which the angle between the two vectors is 90 degrees. That is, suppose A bar and B bar, so angle between this is 90 degrees. So according to the formula, cos theta is equal to A dot B upon mod of A into mod of B. That is A dot B, that is dot product of the two vectors, is equal to cos 90 into mod of A into mod of B. Cos 90 is 0, therefore the dot product of the orthogonal vectors is 0. Now the next one, negative vector. Negative vector is nothing but, suppose I have a vector OA and I have a vector OB. So suppose I have this magnitude is 4 and this magnitude is 4. So the negative vector is nothing but the vectors who are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction is known as negative vector. That is, OA is negative of OB. Then the next one, that is ninth one, collinear suppose I have a line like this, so the vector which is parallel to this line or travels through the same line like this, irrespective of their magnitude or direction, is known as collinear vectors. And the last one is displacement suppose I have a point K. Suppose I have a point K here. If I displace it to a point L, so the vector KL is known as the displacement vector. Displacement vector is nothing but shows the displacement of a point from one point to another, suppose K to L. So hence we conclude this topic. In the next video we shall see the operations on vectors. Please like, share my video and subscribe to my channel by clicking on bell icon. Thank you.